Have you ever dreamed of owning a property with your very own private beach in the Caribbean? A place where you can step outside your door, feel the sand beneath your feet, and watch the sun rise over turquoise waters? Opportunities like this are rare in Bocas del Toro. But here, on the peaceful Caribbean side of Loma Partida, your dream can move from imagination into reality. This is not just a property, it is a sanctuary, a lifestyle, and a secure investment in one of Panama's most beautiful destinations. Located just 12 miles south of Bocas town, the property is easily accessible yet wonderfully private. The journey begins with a scenic 30 to 40-minute boat ride across the sparkling waters of the archipelago, offering breathtaking views at every turn. For added convenience, a local water taxi line now operates out of Loma Partida, only minutes from the property. In just 20 minutes, you can reach Bocas town or Chiriqui Grande, making it easy to connect with the larger city of David. The balance of accessibility and tranquility is truly exceptional. The estate itself is impressive in scale and beauty, with 827 feet, 252 meters of pristine waterfront. The property is beautifully landscaped, with well-kept grounds, concrete walkways, and mature tropical vegetation. Fruit trees dot the landscape, while vibrant flowers attract birds and butterflies. Wildlife abounds. Colorful parrots, toucans, and playful monkeys move freely through the trees, making every day feel like living in harmony with nature. The land offers rich soil, making it suitable for farming, aquaculture, or eco-friendly projects, in addition to development. For botanists, ecologists, or conservation-minded investors, the possibilities here are immense. The main house is fully furnished and completely turnkey, ready for immediate living. Its design embraces open-plan living, with a spacious living and dining area flowing onto a large waterfront deck. Facing the rising sun, this deck is the perfect place to enjoy morning coffee or evening gatherings with an ocean breeze. Inside, the home includes a master bedroom, a queen-size Murphy bed, and a second bedroom now used as a large walk-in pantry. Attached beneath the second house are 3 covered boat slips directly connected to the main residence. 2 boats are included in the sale, a 20-foot vessel with a 90-horsepower motor and a 22-foot boat with a 40-horsepower motor. These boats make it easy to explore the surrounding islands, go fishing, or simply enjoy a relaxing cruise on the Caribbean waters. The second house, still under construction, provides the flexibility to adapt it to your personal style. It features an open-concept living and dining area, a large bedroom with air conditioning potential, a luxury bathroom, and a spacious balcony that offers sweeping sunrise views over the bay. This unfinished home allows you to create a personalized retreat while adding significant value to the property. The estate also includes impressive infrastructure. A 750-square-foot storage shed houses the solar system, refrigerators, freezers, and tools, while a second 150-square-foot shed contains gardening supplies and equipment. On the upper level, you'll find small animal housing and an 88-square-foot workshop for staff. Sustainability is at the heart of this property. It runs on a powerful off-grid solar system of 49 panels producing 9 kilowatts, backed by 2 gas and propane generators, and a bank of 24 batteries. Water is supplied through a rainwater catchment system with 4 tanks of 1,250 gallons each, plus an additional 600-gallon tank for cleaning and irrigation. This self-sufficient design provides security, independence, and environmental harmony. Ownership is straightforward and legally sound. The property is held in a registered Panamanian corporation, with clean rights of possession and all supporting legal paperwork in place. The nearby village of Loma Partida provides groceries, fuel, schools, churches, and community activities. The area is home to both friendly locals and an established expatriate community. Spanish is the national language, but English is widely spoken, making integration seamless. More than just a home, this property is an investment in quality of life, sustainability, and long-term value. The Bocas South community has become increasingly popular with international buyers due to its untouched beauty and affordable opportunities. As demand grows, properties like this will only increase in value, making now the perfect time to invest. This is your chance to secure a rare slice of Caribbean paradise, a property that combines privacy, natural beauty, modern infrastructure, and limitless potential. Whether you envision it as a private sanctuary, an eco-friendly resort, or a long-term investment, it is ready to welcome your dream. Contact us today to schedule a private tour and experience the magic of this extraordinary property for yourself.